Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. And friends, today we are going to see a major update regarding with Shapurji Palanji. So, as a few of our friends got confused with the recent update given by the company, like you all know, one of the listed company like Forbes, as you see here, like Forbes. See, today it hits upper circuit, as you all know, as it has a controlling stack. So this company, not this one. So S&P. So Shapurji Palanji Group having controlling stack in this company. So Shapurji Palanji planning to sell their stack in this company to Advent Group. So this is the latest update. See here, like Advent International. So with this selling, what happens means S&P like Shapurji Palanji Group will get 4,400 crores of money from Advent International by selling their total controlling stack in Eureka Forbes Limited. So what happens means the money which this Eureka Forbes getting, so which the share here hits upper circuit, right? So the money will not go to this Probes, Eureka Probes. The money will go to S&P. Why? Because S&P is selling the controlling stack. So S&P will get the 4,400 crore worth of these money. So Eureka Probes will go under Advent International. So Advent International will has have to take care of Eureka Probes operations, business, everything in future. So what have benefit for S&P? So what is the benefit for S&P means previously S&P group having some debit and some subsidiary companies of Sterling and Wilson, which is one of the company under S&P, so which is like Sterling and Wilson. So this company majorly affects due to its debit issues. So they are paying a huge amount of what you called huge amount of net profits to its debit, so like interest. So to pay their interest they are using their net profits. So likewise the share is continuously falling, and if you observe at one point of time it even posted worst returns. So it reached 200 below also. See here 183. So that's how it moved recent times. So if you see last year it even went below. So see here, so it went 100 rupees below also, like this is COVID situation. So after that, see, this is the major level, like 200 is the major level for the share. So after that it shown some bullishness. So now what happens means it will move from here, friends. So in my view it will get good movement from here onwards. So Sterling and Wilson recently made a high of like 383. Now it is at 356. So we can expect like little positive move. So S&P also is there. So SP Shapurji Palanji share also is there in share market. So these two companies are going to benefit with that 4,400 crores, friends. So thank you, friends. Thank you very much.